Hello everyone, welcome back to one more episode of Explorer RN. And last time we had been to one of the seashore, Arabian seashore, and we enjoyed a lot. So this time I am planning to go to a dense jungle, which is again in the vicinity of Mumbai city. This jungle has a unique property. Since it is very adjacent to Mumbai city, this is one of the only jungle in the world which is so vast and which is within the city itself. This jungle is actually acts as the lungs of Mumbai city. Okay, so the jungle has lots of corners and gullies to be explored, and this is going to be a very thrilling experience, I'm telling you. Okay, so probably I'm planning to go tomorrow morning, early morning, because Saturday, Sunday it is expected that the crowd will be more. So as usual, we will leave tomorrow early morning with our backpack and everything, and we will try to explore the jungle. So with me, you all will be there, and you will have the experience of the true wilderness. So just get ready. So this jungle has got everything inside it. It has got rivers flowing. It has got leopards on loose. There are trails inside which are very deep and dense jungle trails. There are trips or picnics which are normally arranged by schools and various groups to explore this, to get up and close to the nature. We will try to explore as many things as possible, because in a single day it's not possible to explore each and everything. But at the whatever time that we have, we will try to explore it as a small train running through the jungle that takes you through tunnels as well, which is going to be a very fun-loving experience for starting from kids to elders. I'm sure we are going to enjoy this. National Park opens up at 8:30 in the morning, and the people who are standing outside the gate along with me, we have just come inside. There is a lot of crowd which wants to get in, and it's a time to just start exploring. I just came inside the national park, and I met one of my school friend. His name is Rauba Sardar, and he is available for all of us right at the gate, right from the morning 7 o'clock in the morning till evening. He's got cycle shop. In fact, he rents out cycles for all of us. So if you come here and you want national park to be explored by cycle, then he is the person to meet.
The cycle name is Cycle Memorable.
Okay.
Cycle shop name.
So the one, if you ask Cycle Memorable, I will definitely give his number in my description, and don't forget to meet this person. Okay, he is very cooperative, very supportive, and he is the one who he's born and brought up in this whole jungle. Okay, so he knows every gully and corner of the jungle. So I'm very glad to see this fellow once again after a long time, and very happy now. This particular Nature Information Center building is right now closed because it is under renovation. When we were kids, we used to come here during a one-day picnic from the school, and they used to make us see films and shows like National Geographic, Discovery Channel, which basically are meant towards ensuring that everyone is aware of the importance of nature, and it's a time to preserve nature at any cost. And the only species in this particular planet that can save the whole nature and the whole world is we. It's us only. So for the timing it is closed, there is nothing much to see and talk about it. So we will start to our next destination. National Park is a jungle that is just a stone throw away distance from my home, and the nearest railway station to this particular spot is Borivali railway station. It is hardly 1 kilometer away from the main gate, and the park has got rivers, lakes inside it. It has got lion and tiger safari. There are many hidden spots which probably I even don't know, but we will try to explore them. We just saw the feature list. It's a huge laundry list that we saw. So it's gonna be very difficult to explore the whole national park in a single day, but definitely we will try to see at least some prominent places on our way. This is what you get when you are with the nature. It's unbelievable, right? Unbelievable, I would say. These are free. They are roaming freely in the national park. Deers. Maybe in future we will see these types of animals only in the picture. So there are deers on the backside of me, and I am fortunate enough to see them live in front of me. I'm basically inside one of the cages which was home for orangutan once upon a time when we were kids, and we used to just go past by this road towards our school and home. So there are 3 to 4 deers backside of me, and there is, I think there was one more here standing right there. Okay. So this is a cage backside. Okay. And here there is one couple, and it has got horns also, the backside one. I can even remember this vegetation behind me. Two of our best friends in the school had a very nasty fight on way back to home, and they made this vegetation totally flat. So you can just imagine how nasty it was. But ultimately, we had a good conversation with them, and we ensure that they become good friends once again in the life. Among all of us memories, this was one of the most favorite of everyone. This lion, we used to sit inside the mouth of this lion and take pictures. A lot of fond memories are around this lion for almost every one of us. This is one of the way to reach Gandhi Memorial. These are the steps available. There is a tar road also available, but if you want to enjoy more and have some more thrill, you can use this particular staircase road. There are two cages. The one which we are looking at is where the deers, chinkara and sambars have. If we just come to our left side, this is the tunnel basically used to feed leopards on the left side cage. So from the right side to the left side, this is meant for leopards. So now there are no leopards as such because they are free in the national park, being a sanctuary. So if you plan to go deep into the jungle, so you have to be very careful. And this is the train track that goes deep into the jungle, which is called as a Vanarani, a jungle queen. It's now 11:20 in the morning. We started somewhere around 7:30. We were at the gate of the national park 7:30, but it was not open. So we were stranded outside and we got entry 8:30 in the morning. Since then, I have been walking and cycling through the national park. Initially, we saw the Nature Information Center, which was closed. Then we move on to Vanarani, that is the jungle queen. We saw the train that is going through the jungle. Now we saw certain animals, among them the prominent were deers. which were free, and some of them were inside the cages. We saw 2 cages. One was for the leopard, the second one was for the deer, chinkara and sambars. I remember when I was kid, and we used to see hyenas also in the cages, but now they are totally empty. So there is nothing called as hyena. As we move on, I just came across of this beautiful river flowing through the national park, and there are a lot of people who are enjoying boating. It's a very beautiful morning, and I'm sitting under this tree. This is something that everyone wants. Most of the incarnation of gods and big people sat under the tree, and they got their thoughts enlightened, and they got the peace of mind and everything they wanted in their life. So I hope everyone gets what they want, and from here on we continue a journey to the lion and tiger safari, and we will also try to see if there are certain hidden places that we can get around with, because it's a very huge jungle and exploring in a single day is quite difficult. So far I feel you have enjoyed the journey, and from here on we will start our next journey.
Let's go. Let's go.
Whatever we are looking at is a rest house or the government official circuit house. A lot of forest officers and even police officers are there. This is quite a restricted area, and if you look at the left side, this is the entry point where we will go to lion and tiger safari. This is strictly prohibited area. This board clearly states that we are not allowed to cross this last mile. This is a Lakshman Rekha. After this, there are big fences available, and those are basically 2 big fences like a Jurassic Park movie, where those get open only for buses and government officials. While coming back, they also get closed one by one, and we are not supposed to go beyond this point. This is an unmanned area. Even you can see the road is also very empty. So we are not going beyond this, and we are thinking of stopping here. Pretty much hungry now. It's been 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a continuous run, walk and cycle trek for the day. Looking for a good huge tree to settle down and have some snacks. When you are amid nature, it is must to stay like a nature. So I am at a juice center, which is a sugarcane juice. So rather than going for Pepsi, Coca-Cola and many fertilizer like juices, it's obvious to go for a sugarcane juice, which is very healthy and quite nourishing. So if you want to test a nature sugarcane juice, please come and visit this place, which is just next to the Vanrani railway station. It's been 6 to 7 hours into National Park. We started early morning. We have explored many things, but still there are so many things which have been restricted, so we cannot go beyond that point. Now it's a time to go back home. So this is your Ravi signing off for today, and hope I was able to explore the things for all of you. Maybe we can meet in the next exploration. Till then, bye, take care.